Hi and welcome to Shrov's classes. Today we are going to deal with some advanced sums on mathematical statistics. You can call or WhatsApp in the number given on the screen or in the description below for any doubts or more such videos related to our courses. Moving on to our new sum. We are given random variables x and y such that they have a joint probability mass function p capital X equals to x, capital Y equals to y as given over here. We are given y is equals to 0, 1 till x and x ranges from 0, 1 to till infinity. We need to calculate expectation y. Let's see how to do this. Probability capital X equals to small x and capital Y equals to small y is e to power minus 2 x by y into 3 by 4 whole to the power y 1 by 4 x minus y 2 to power x by x factorial, y ranging from 0, 1, 2 till x and x ranging from 0, 1, 2 till infinity. Therefore, probability y equals to small y equals summation x equals to y till infinity. Therefore, e to power minus 2 x by y 3 by 4 to the power y 1 by 4 x minus y 2 to power x by x factorial. Therefore, expectation capital Y equals to summation small y ranging from 0 till infinity summation e to power minus 2 similarly going from 0 till infinity into xy 3 by 4 to the power y 1 by 4 x minus y, writing similarly from the above equation. Now we calculate what it comes, and this equals to probability y equals to small y, which equals to summation x equals to y till infinity e to power minus 2 x y. Thus, let's calculate this. X ranging from 0 till infinity e to power minus 2 2 to power x by x factorial 4 to power x into x 4 to power x minus 1 into 3, and this equals to 3 e to power minus 2 by 4 summation x 2 to power x by x factorial, and upon calculation this comes to 3 by 2. Thus the answer is number C. Moving on to a similar question. We are given x1 and x2 such that they are IID and they are Poisson random variables with mean 1. Thus we need to figure out p max being x1, x1 greater than equals to. Let's see what this comes. P max x1, x2 greater than 1 is equals to 1 minus p into max x1, x2 less than equals to 1. This equals 1 minus p such that max x1, x2 is equals to 0 or 1 minus probability x1 equals to 1 into probability x2 equals to 0 minus probability x1 equals to 1 into probability x2 equals to 1. This comes to 1 minus e to power minus 2 minus e to power minus 2 minus e to power minus 2 minus e to power minus 2. Thus it equals 1 minus 4 e to power minus 2. That is number D. Now we have a very important question. Let x belong to binomial 2 by half, comma half. Then we need to find expectation 2 by 1 plus x. Let's see how to do this. Therefore, probability capital X equals to x. This equals 1 by b 2 comma half into x to power 2 minus 1 by 1 plus x to the power 2 plus half, where x lies between 0 and infinity. Now calculating expectation to 1 plus x equals to 2 by b 2 comma half 0 till infinity x to power 2 minus 1 by 1 plus x to the power 2 plus 3 by 2 dx. Now I'll do the further calculation so that you can see that in a jiffy. Therefore, we get 2 into gamma 2 into gamma 3 by 2 into gamma 5 by 2 by gamma 7 by 2 into gamma 2 into gamma half, and upon calculation 2 by 5 is the answer. Moving on to another question. Now we are given a moment generating function or an MGF of an integer valued variable x, that is given by mxt equals to 1 by 10 into 2 plus e to power t plus 4 e to power 2t plus 3 e to power 3t into e to power minus t. We need to find p 2x plus 5 less than 7. Let's see how to do this. P 2x plus 5 less than 7 equals to p x less than 1, that is equals to probability of x equals to 0 plus probability of x equals to minus 1. That is nothing but coefficient of e to power minus t plus the constant term, which is equals to 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10 equals to 3 by 10, and that is our final answer. Moving on, we are given that x1 and x2 be an IID. We need to find expectation 3 random variables. Then probability x1 plus x2 greater than 1, which is equals to, let's see how to find this. Therefore probability x1 plus x2 greater than 1 equals to 1 minus probability x1 plus x2 less than equals to 1, that is equals to 1 minus integration x1 equals to 0 1 minus of x2 equals to 0 and x1 equals to 0 till 1 3 e to power minus 3 x1 into 3 e to power minus 3 x2 dx1 into dx2. We'll integrate the first one, and this comes to 1 minus of integration from 0 to 1 minus 3x1 minus 3x1 e to power minus 3x2 integrating from 0 to 1 minus xi dxi. This equals to 1 minus integration 0 to 1 3 into e to power minus 3 xi minus e to power minus 3 dxi. This equals to 1 minus e to power minus 3xi. Upon further calculation, it comes lastly to 1 minus whole into 1 minus e to power minus 3 e to power minus 3. Upon solving this, we get 4 e to power minus 3. That is number C from our option. With this, we come to an end of another amazing video. Please like, subscribe, and contact us for any doubts or full course videos that we have to offer.